Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Google account safely. Keep in mind, deleting your account means you'll lose all your Google data, including Gmail, Google Photos, Contacts, YouTube, and more. Before proceeding, you can export your data to keep a backup. To begin, go to google.com or any Google service like Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. Click your profile in the top right and select Manage Your Google Account. Next, go to the search bar in your account settings and type Delete Google Account. Click the option that appears to go to the deletion page. You may need to sign in again to verify your identity. At this point, you'll see an option to download your data. Take a moment to review it if you haven't already. Make sure you understand what will be deleted, including emails, photos, authenticator data, and YouTube content. Once you're ready, read through the confirmation prompts, agree to the terms, and click Delete Account. Your Google account and all associated data will then be permanently removed. That's it. Deleting your account is permanent, so make sure you've saved everything important. Thanks for watching, and stay safe with your digital data.